When you're looking for a part-time job, it can be hard to find one that fits in with your studies and other responsibilities. With Fiverr, I think you have solutions to the problem. Fiverr is an online place where people can advertise their services. As well as finding jobs that help with student life, the platform is also a great way to make money. A gig on Fiverr gives you more control over what you do, when, and how much you get paid for it. The best way to get a good job as a freelancer is to focus on the skills and experiences you already have and think about which parts of your CV you want to improve. A list of best 6 easiest way to earn money on Fiverr 2022. When you want to start making more money on Fiverr, these are the best freelancing jobs to try. Number 1. Web research service. Think about ways that you can help businesses save time by taking some of the work off their hands. Web research is one job that can save you a lot of time and make you money at the same time. Web research is usually done by looking for email addresses, images, or mentions of a company or brand on the internet. It can also be done to see how the competition is doing. It's a lot of fun to work for yourself as a freelancer, though. You could do things like compile information about information, summarize book and movie plots, or gather background information for writers and journalists. This is a common way to make money on Fiverr. You can advertise your gig as a virtual assistant, which means you can do other things like doing data entry and web research at the same time, and this is a good way to make money. Number 2. Ebooks cover design. When it comes to making money as a freelancer, being able to see and take advantage of trends is very important to do well. Many authors have chosen ebook formats to make money from their writing in the last decade, which has led to an explosion in self-publishing. If you want to make a digital book cover, there's a lot of demand for it at the moment. As a freelancer who designs ebook covers, you might be asked to make custom-made covers or templates, help with technical problems, or give your opinion on draft cover designs. A lot of people who work on Fiverr make money by doing things like making art for other people and taking their own pictures, and can sell for a lot more as premium services. You can also make use of Canva website to design ebook covers for free. Number 3. Sell your social media skills. It's possible to make money on Fiverr if you're good at getting people to follow you on social media and making viral posts that get a lot of attention. If you're good at managing marketing campaigns, search engine optimization, SEO, or customer engagement, your skills can help you in a lot of different jobs. As a social media consultant, you could offer packages to help businesses get more followers or improve their social media strategies, such as ready-made tweets and Instagram content, or original posts that are tailored to the brand for a higher fee. You could also help with picture sourcing and editing, or even start up social media profiles from the ground up if you want. It's also a good way to make money if you have a lot of followers on social media. You can charge businesses to share their content on your social media profiles for money. But if you do share sponsored content, make sure you follow the ASA guidelines on how to say that a post is sponsored or an ad when you do it. Number 4. Proofread student essays. Even when students are under a lot of stress to get their essays done, having other people proofread their work can be a godsend. To help students with their work, if you have some time and don't have a big essay due, you could offer to read through their work on a freelance basis to look for typos and see if their arguments aren't clear or well developed, or you could do it yourself. You could offer proofreading and editing services, help with bibliographies and citations, or help with presentation and layout. If you can teach the basics, you could also tailor gigs to language skills for non-native speakers, academic writing skills for people who are just starting out, or writing coaching for all kinds of people. Number 5. User testing. If you want to get a head start on future trends, user testing is a good place to start. When you work as a freelancer, it can be hard to stay motivated if you only work on jobs that are more important to your job than ones that are fun, interesting, or quirky. Plus, when you test products, you can often get paid to try things that you'd be willing to buy. When you do freelance user testing, you might be asked to give feedback on everything from websites, games, apps, and customer service to customer service and complaints. You should also keep in mind that if you specialize in certain areas, like tech or stationery, as a user tester, you may be able to get products before they go on sale, as well as be able to help shape how they're made. Number 6. Teach your hobbies. Still can't figure out what your dream job is? Do what you love, and that's it. When your parents made you take piano lessons every Saturday for 5 years, there's someone who'll pay to learn from you. If you want to work as a teacher on a freelance basis, think about what you like and what you know about. Your niche could be anything. Do you know how to fix a bike, paint like Van Gogh, or make the best dating app profile ever? Build up your experience as a freelance teacher and see where it takes you. You can start small and work your way up. It's important to make the ideas above your own so that you can stand out in a crowded field of freelancers. Keep an eye on what people are looking for using the Google Trends platform, which is a great free tool. Use your skills, put in the work, and you'll be on to something good. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more valuable videos.